concave mirror and an optical bench to see what will happen between these two and see if there is something that will happen to the reflected rays. That something you must remember could be the image. Why? Because if the reflected rays, after following the laws of reflection, meet at a point somewhere in space, they would create an image of this object. So, let us first look for the image. For this we will require a screen. Here is a screen, and if I move this here, you see a clear image formed on the screen. What is to be understood? That the rays which are reflected here are meeting at this point. I cannot see the image without any screen. I have to hold those rays at a position and then be able to see the image of that object. So, next we are going to bring this closer and see where the image is formed. Notice this image has become bigger, it is bigger than before. I bring this closer and you can see that the image is larger and further away from the object and the mirror. In this experiment, what we are noticing is that as we change the separation between the candle and our concave mirror, what is really happening is that the image is changing its position, also it is changing its size. However, it remained real all through. So, what we must do is change this separation, find the value for image distance and use our formula 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u, where v represents the image separation and u represents the object separation, and f is the focal length of this particular mirror. What use is this experiment? Why should we be doing something like this? Why should we know whether this mirror is capable of like you have in the Sheesh Mahal? So, there are so many things that the mirrors can do, and they are used only if you understand how they work for you. So, this is one experiment that do so. Why? Because if it is too close and from the laws of reflection and following your ray diagram, you can be sure that you will get an image, but this time a virtual one. Drawing the ray diagram will make it